I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Next one's important, and a lot of people forget to do it, and that is look at that camera and smile, folks. If you're sitting there staring at your screen the whole time while you're talking to people, it doesn't really do a good job with what's there. And the other thing that's important is don't forget you might be hot. And I have to remember that. Sometimes we've got a video playing and I'm talking to people during the show and it becomes a little problem. I get embarrassed sometimes. Had some technical difficulties one show where I was talking. Remember your mic can be hot, and remind your guys who are the producers not to go live with your audio till they're sure you are ready to go live with your audio.